Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Twilio Verify for SMS OTP login step by step clearly. To set up Twilio Verify for SMS OTP login, begin by creating a Twilio account. Navigate to Twilio's website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details to create an account and verify your email address. Once your account is active, log into the Twilio console. Next, locate the Verify tab on the sidebar menu. Click on the Get Started button under the Verify section. Select Create a new service to begin setting up your Verify service. Name your service and ensure you choose SMS as the channel. Upon creating the service, note down the service SID provided. Now, navigate to the Programmable SMS section in the sidebar. Purchase a phone number from Twilio if you haven't already. Make sure the phone number is a valid one that can send SMS messages. Next, set up your development environment by choosing a suitable programming language. Install the Twilio helper library relevant to your programming language. For Python, you can use pip to install the library. Import the Twilio library into your codebase. Create a new script file and include your Twilio account SID and auth token. Configure the Verify service SID you noted earlier. To send an OTP, use the verification method from the Twilio library. Specify the phone number, the channel, and the verification type. Once you send the OTP, wait for a response from Twilio to ensure the message is dispatched. Next, set up a method to receive the OTP input from the user. After the user inputs the OTP, use the verification check method to validate it. Send the inputted OTP along with the user's phone number to Twilio for verification. Check the response from Twilio to confirm if the OTP is valid or not. If the OTP is valid, proceed with the login process. If invalid, notify the user and allow them to retry. Ensure you handle any errors gracefully during the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.